Hello, Namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video of learning and sharing with Suraj, I am going to show how to remove the black stain in the steam iron so that we can get rid of this mark in our clothes. To remove the black stain in our iron, we are going to use some home remedy methods. For this, we are going to use lemon, white toothpaste, some salt and baking powder. So first of all, I am going to squeeze this lemon in the bowl. I'll mix some salt and white toothpaste. Make sure you are mixing the white toothpaste, not the tooth gel. White paste. Baking soda you can use in the option. So I am going to mix this one. To mix this properly, you can use a tissue paper and apply this one in the black area. You just gently scrub the black part. So friends, you can see still there is some stains, black stains in the iron. So to remove this black stain, I am going to use this paracetamol. This is the another option to remove the black stain. So for this purpose, first of all, we have to heat the iron in the medium heat. Once the iron plate is heated, I am going to rub this one in the black stain area. Just be careful, don't hurt your hand. So you can see the black stain is almost removed. Just clean with tissue and a cotton paper. So friends, you can see now the iron black stain is almost removed and the plate is very clean now. So we can iron our clothes without any black marks. You can see now it's very clean without any black marks. In this way, you can easily remove the black stain of the iron. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.